Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, January 27th, and we're going to take a look here at Microsoft. This is a trade we did this morning, and it's what we call an opening bell breakout. So we're looking for consolidation or compression overnight, and then we look for a breakout of that compression first thing in the morning after the market opens. And you can see here, this was the alert I posted for all the members here at Basecamp. They're in the trading room. 9:19 today. We were looking for Tesla above 438.50 or Microsoft above 475. So here is that 475 breakout, and what we were trading, I was trading the 480 Cs, 480 calls for this week's expiration. They ended up following through very nicely. Microsoft ran from the 475 breakout all the way up to a high today of 481. And actually, I apologize. I was trading the 485 Cs. We ended up getting filled this morning. Got long 45 at $7.95 each. They just peaked at about $10.30 each, so not a bad move overall. We hit our first target coming up into the 478 resistance level in about 30 minutes after the open. He made about 20-25% on the calls overall. So again, not a bad move, but this is just one of the types of setups that we look for. Again, this is what we call an opening bell breakout. It's that move first thing in the morning coming out of consolidation over the night session. So keep an eye out for this. Ideally, these occur right at these big gamma walls. For example, 475 is a gamma wall where you have a lot of open interest in Microsoft. So when you break through those gamma walls, a lot of times you'll squeeze past them pretty quickly, which is what we saw today, and that's how you get these quick returns in a matter of just 30-45 minutes or so, hitting those 30-40% profit targets overall. But not a bad move. A great job to everybody that took the trade. We had several really good trade opportunities today, including RR, Rentech Robotics on the breakout. We had QQQ breakout through resistance. We had SLV puts off of the shooting star yesterday. We're taking profits in part of our yen position. We've been long the yen since Friday on the breakout. So lots of stuff worked out really well today. But overall, not a bad day. Microsoft is just one of the main plays we had first thing this morning right after the opening bell. But if you want to take these trades with us, you can join us. All you got to do is go into the description. There's a link there. It's bctnow.com/join. Come in for an entire month for only $7. Try out the trading rooms, see what you think. We'd love to have you on board with us. But that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.